Now to your top 10 headlines in just 2 minutes. The Ohio EPA is now monitoring groundwater at the scene of that toxic train derailment, searching for signs of contamination. Efforts to ship contaminated waste out of the area resume today. The White House has ordered multiple agencies to continue door-to-door checks on families living in East Palestine.
12 years to the day after a murder in Massachusetts, a suspect has been arrested. DeVaris Hampton was arrested after allegedly being linked to a cell phone, and after investigators say they found his DNA on a sweet potato, which they say was used as a silencer in the killing.
In Turkey, fans threw thousands of teddy bears and other stuffed toys onto the pitch during a soccer match as a donation to earthquake survivors. As they did so, the fans called on the government to resign over the response to the quake that killed more than 50,000 people.
2 Girl Scouts injured when a car hit their stand outside a Granite Bay Walmart are back home recovering tonight. The third person injured, a 78-year-old woman, has major injuries. The driver, 69-year-old Gary Benson of Cameron Park, faces a felony charge of driving under the influence.
Dutch Hollow Farms sharing these images after a fire destroyed their sales barn and everything in it. No people were hurt, but several animals were killed. In the post, the owners say they will soon let people know how they can help, but any GoFundMe page up right now is not them.
The U.S. Supreme Court will hear arguments this week over President Biden's student loan relief plan. Critics say the plan is expensive, unfair, and an abuse of executive power. It's been blocked since November. A decision is expected by the spring.
A new study links a sugar replacement used to sweeten stevia, monk fruit, and keto reduced sugar products to blood clotting, stroke, heart attack, and death. The Calorie Control Council, an industry group, disputes the findings.
Turlock police impounded this Dodge Charger that they say was involved in a sideshow back on February 18th. The driver allegedly led police on a chase, initially getting away. Police later tracked the car down.
Crews are working to untangle a large landscaping crane from power lines after it collapsed today in New Jersey. Neighbors were evacuated while crews worked to remove the crane.
CHP was able to return a pair of horses to their home in Sonora before the storm could hit. Officers Lopez and Dillon found Cayenne and Buttercup wandering around, so Officer Dillon walked them back home. Officer Lopez followed them in his patrol car. And those are your top 10 headlines in just 2 minutes.